Hey friends, welcome back to our ongoing series of how to study for IMAT. Today we are going to discuss of general knowledge. Yeah, you heard right. We are going to discuss about general knowledge section of IMAT. So far we have discussed biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics and logical reasoning. Today we are going in depth with general knowledge. So the basic purpose we are going to learn or discuss is that how actually we should prepare for general knowledge that we can get maximum score. But there, as you know, that there are just 5 questions in general knowledge section of IMAT that are like important because every marks matter in IMAT. That's what we have learned throughout our series. But now let me introduce you first. My name is Sami. I appeared in IMAT 2023 and achieved 46.2 marks. Today we are going to discuss general knowledge. So first of all, what is actually general knowledge of IMAT? So we all know that if you have attempted, if you did not, I would suggest attempt past paper so that you can get an idea. So when you will solve IMAT past paper, you will get an idea that IMAT general knowledge section is more sort of knowledge from around the globe. Like it could be a movie name, maybe a movie, what is the director of this movie. It could be a famous movie like The Godfather, or it could be like this. There are actually specific things that happens in Italy. That was the thing. First of all, it was considered that they like make questions from around the globe, they discuss globe, but now they are more specific with Italian, like Italian things. For example, let me say that why I'm saying in 2023 when in exam there was like very changes in 2023, and from 2024 onward there will be no as such big change that happened in 2023 as the authority changed from Cambridge to Senegal Italian Ministry, and now the Italian Ministry is conducting IMAT. So what they did, it was supposed to be like when Cambridge was making they were making like more general sort of test, but now then Italian Ministry came. Now the general knowledge section is more sort of Italian based. For example, in 2023 they said about Italian Parliament, and then they discuss about like some Italian music stuff or ballad, something poem. Actually it was poem. The author, or I think author was given, and the poem name was given, and they were asking for theme. So it's what we conclude that IMAT general knowledge is more you will get from Italian things. Like you need to study actually history of Italy. For example, if you are from India, if you are from Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, or anywhere from Turkey, you know that you understand your history, your own country's history, like who was the prime minister, what this poem is about, what is who written or who wrote the anthem, national anthem, what was the biggest TV show, and what was the oldest TV show, something like that, and who was the best player, or maybe something like that. So they are going to ask about that. Now how we are going to prepare? Actually there is no sort of book, there is nothing. If you are from like non-EU, mostly non-EU will be watching. If you are from not Italy or from not country neighbor to Italy, although if you are from neighbor, there is no chance that you will know the history of Italy. But what is thing, there is some sort of question bank, or I think there is a 10,000 question bank that I shared, and I will be sharing in this video. You will see the link in video description from where you can download it for absolutely free. In that general knowledge section, what happened is that there are like 10,000 questions, and this is from a general around the globe, and that is like worth reading it. But there are just 5 questions, so I would not say that you should waste your most of the time on this just 5 marks. Instead you can focus on chemistry, biology, physics, mathematics and logical reasoning. That is like more scientific things, and you can do it easily with logic and concept. But general knowledge is not done or something, like it is not known that from it is going to be this is the syllabus and Italy is going to ask from this thing. No, that's not a thing. Although they changed some naming of in previous in recent 2023 syllabus, that reading skills or sort of thing, that student was thinking that there will be questions like asked about from scientific knowledge or reading skills, but that did not happen. That's supposed to happen actually, but there were like I'm again saying in 2020 there were very flaws, and maybe in 2024 2025 they improve it, and maybe you will see some questions from reading skills, like you can actually read the passage and then can draw a conclusion from the given options. So that could be a case, but that did not happen in 2023, and maybe now we are not sure. So I would say do stick with news and what Italian ministry publishes recently. Just watch it, or syllabus or specific whatever the situation they mention, just read it and act according to it. So that will make you prepare well. And I would say that if you wanna prepare for general knowledge, then just read about some recent Italian newspaper. That would be a great thing if it's in English. And actually you can see that BBC is publishing some Italian based, if BBC has some Italian based newspaper, although I think they do not have or something. Just figure it out, a solution that you can understand the syllabus, or you can get actually the newspaper in your own language. That would be a good thing, but that's not, although it is supposed to, this mind says that they are going to ask questions from recent events, but that's not a thing. They ask older things from 2001, 1990 something. So that does not make actually sense. But I would say now, hopefully in 2024 2025 onward 2026 you will get question types that would be very very easier to do, and you will find it absolutely easier to do. Maybe some reading skill stuff, but we cannot say anything. But if you want to study, there is some general knowledge books that Italian students or something students published on Amazon. You can buy them. I would not say you should buy, but if you really wanna, you can find actually the nerd crack things on Telegram or just around in communities. But I would say just stick with the basics. Just get some general stuff. Focus on prominent things. Do not go deep in poems, although they asked about one, I'm again mentioning. But I would say if you really want to study general knowledge, then stay general. Study about prominent things like Italian ministry stuff. What is the prime minister, about parliament, about some capital cities, all that stuff. So that will make sense. Hopefully now I would have conveyed the information what you really wanted to know, and hopefully you will prepare well. And so this marks the end of our journey, this IMET series that we started for about how to study for each second of IMET. Hopefully you would have loved it. And if you haven't watched the biology, chemistry, physics, logical reasoning or mathematics, then there would be playlist on my channel that you can watch. There will be 6 videos that you can actually watch. So that will make sense. And there is also, I have explained 1.11 hours master classes of IMET syllabus that you can find on my channel too. And hopefully you would have loved this. If you have enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel would be wonderful. And additionally I'm posting at solved IMET solutions and BMET solutions on my website samikama.com. You can check out that for free, absolutely free. And if you really want to ask me anything, then email me at sami@samikama.com, or just head over to my Instagram. So thank you for watching, and see you in next video. Till bye bye.